Hello and welcome to the third tutorial in Painting Series 3. Having studied the nose and mouth and ears, the final facial feature we'll be looking at are the eyes, and they're probably the most important feature of the face. When we look at an icon, everything should function rhythmically and harmoniously to draw our gaze towards the face, and in particular, the eyes. It is said that the eyes are the windows to the soul, and it is in the gaze of the icon that we encounter the presence of the person depicted, be it Christ or the saints. Unlike in Western art, the icon doesn't emotionally manipulate the viewer and show him or her what they should be feeling. The eyebrows probably play the most important role in the facial expression. So let's have a look at a few ways of drawing the ovals for the eyes. Bigger on the wider side and smaller on the narrow. And they're bushy over here. And we build them up. And when you divide the face in two, there's the raised gaze of judgment on the right, and the head covering following the rhythm of the expression. Now we'll have a look at how the position of the pupils affect the gaze. Compare these two gazes. But if you want to create an expression that is calm and peaceful and will invite the viewer into communion with the person depicted, firstly, many beginners tend to draw the iris and pupils as half circles. This makes for an angry or teenage eye roll expression.